So you've got rodent activity in your home and you're going crazy. You've already got a free rodent inspection scheduled with a knowledgeable Pro-Pacific pest control technician. Do you know what to expect? Our highly trained, friendly pest control technician will identify nesting areas, insulation tunnels, and high traffic areas. Rodents are creatures of habit, and a little bait spread randomly isn't going to draw rodents away from their daily routine. That's why your technician will inspect your home and provide you with a specific, tailor-made solution. Once we're prepared to move forward with trapping, your technician will set and bait traps, then we return to check them weekly for 3 more visits. Based on the activity indicated, we'll refresh the bait and move the traps around to target trouble spots. For extreme rodent activity situations, rodent urine and dander can taint insulation and contaminate the air you breathe in your home. We sometimes recommend having a sanitation performed, especially if you have children, pets, or family members with allergies or asthma. Rodents, by nature, are extremely good at finding openings and structural weaknesses in your home. Once they've locked in on these weaknesses, they'll use their sharp teeth and nails to claw their way into your attic, garage, and walls. When we perform our rodent-proof warranty, our expert crew will seal every access point to prevent the rodents from getting in. We identify every single spot where rodents may be able to get access. Then we seal each one with rodent-proof material that is as unnoticeable as possible. After we've sealed your home, you have a 1-year, no-hassle warranty. If rodents manage to find their way back in somehow, we will return to get rid of them at no extra charge. Included in the 1-year warranty, we'll also install bait stations as a preventative measure to reduce the rodent population around the exterior of your home. We check these stations on a monthly basis to observe potential rodent activity and to replenish the bait inside. When combined with our passion, expertise, and experience, our 4-step service is bulletproof. It's been time tested. Nobody does rodent control better than we do. And that is why we stand behind what we do with such an amazing warranty. After the initial year warranty is up, you have the option to extend your warranty. As long as you have an active warranty, you're in good hands. 1 year, 50 years, 500 years, we've got you covered. We want to make sure you never have to worry about rodents ever again.